Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure how to check pre-qualification for Amex offers, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the American Express website. Log into your American Express account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Offers section on your account dashboard. Click on the Offers tab to view available promotions. Scroll through the list to find deals that interest you. Take note of any pre-qualification options listed with the offers. If pre-qualification is available, click on the offer for more details. Review the requirements stated for pre-qualification. Check if you meet the eligibility criteria for the specific offer. Make sure to read any instructions provided on how to complete the pre-qualification process. If you decide to proceed, follow the prompts to apply for pre-qualification. Submit any necessary information as required during the process. After submission, wait for confirmation of your pre-qualification status. Regularly check your emails and account notifications for updates. Explore other Amex offers to maximize your card benefits. Keep an eye on new offers as they can change frequently. Consider revisiting your Amex account to stay informed about new pre-qualification opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.